Hello mga kasansi at mabuhay! Panibagong episode naman po ang inyong aabangan ngayong year 2.
Salam, Shilonek, Shakbarek, Shaalumek, Kaypalhal. Marhaba to all our kasansi out there. It's another Friday again with full of love, happiness, and excitement all here at
Sam
and Quiz
the Podcast! Alright, narito tayo ngayon sa nag-aalaga sa atin mga mabiba.
Yes.
Kasi may pa-event ang ating Artful BA.
Yes, it's in here in Juper,
Almorjan Tower.
Yes.
Siyempre, ito po every month niyang ginagawa. This is the second month ng event na ito, which is ang
The Art of Thrifting.
Yes, The Art of Thrifting. Yes, at presented by Artful and the Curator's Closet.
And there is one of influencer and blogger na nag-participate, which is si Love Pandan.
Yes, Lovelicious! Meron siyang meron siyang peso, may mga pre-love siyang mga pinag-testa.
Yes, pre-love aside of Luna.
Yes.
Of course, syempre, andyan yung mga product ni Miss K ng Artful.
Correct. At may iba't ibang mga nag-participate din pong mga shops and stores na nasa baba. At nakita din natin ang Lolo's Kitchen. Siyempre, nakusuportahan natin mga kasansi ang ating mga kababayan. Siyempre, ang Artful BH na nagbibigay ng chance sa ating mga sellers dyan, yung mga pa-pre-love. May pa-pre-love ka ba dapat?
Oo, may pa-pre-love and then pre-hug.
Yes naman, bongga yan. At syempre pa, iikutin natin dito sa Almorjan Tower yung bazaar sets na nag-participate ngayong araw.
Yes, very true.
At talagang we're so excited na maikot at makover ang event na to. So let's go!
Yeah!
Mga kasansi, let's go, let's watch, let's witness the bazaars up, down.
The Art of Thrifting!
Alright, yes, we're back at syempre nandito tayo sa ground floor ng Almorjan, Mama B.
Almorjan Tower right now. May event po na nangyayari which is The Art of Thrifting
by Artful.
By Artful BH.
Exciting to, di ba Mama B? May mga ganitong programa na binibigay sa ating mga kababayan.
Yes.
To show up, to showcase their pre-loves, of course. Syempre may mga brand new din dyan.
Yes, in a minute, iikutin natin lahat ng mga nag-participate po dito sa The Art of Thrifting. May mga naispatan ka na ba?
Yes naman, may nakikita na ako dyan. Syempre ang Luna, hindi mawawala.
Of course.
Ang may pagintuan.
Si Lovely Pandan.
Yes, of course. The Lovelicious is here.
Nakita kang nag-participate na Filipino restaurant.
Yes, ang Lolo's Kitchen.
Ang Lolo's Kitchen.
So, syempre pa, makakausap natin later on ang utak nito ha. Ang Artful BH. Miss K.
BH.
Yes, habang bisibisihan pa si Miss K. Ikot muna tayo sa ating mga bazaars na narito.
Halika na. Andito tayo sa The Luna. Wow, hello.
Hi. Ikaw po si Ate Luna? Ay, nice to meet you po ha. So who is Z? Ikaw si Z.
Luna by Z.
Finally, we met Luna by Z.
Hello. Hi, Miss Z. It's been a while. No, not it's been a while. It's been kailan ba to? When we started?
When we started like I think more than a year ago.
It's a year ago.
Yeah, we've been looking for Luna by Z.
Luna by Z. Hi.
Yes, hello.
It's nice to meet you. Personally, right?
Personally nakita na natin siya.
So,
ang ganda-ganda pala ni By Z.
Yeah, by Z.
Miss
It's like
K?
a baby.
Yeah, this is your baby ha, bongga. So now mga kasansi, syempre pakilala ang Luna by Z sa kanyang mga mga accessories. Mga luxurious look na mga accessories dito.
Yes. Miss Z, what makes you inspired to para sa mga ganitong accessories?
Na-inspired ako pandemic time, and ba pag tayo nawawalan tayo ng 18K gold, di ba ang sakit sa puso kapag nawawalan. So I usually go out with my husband. So if nawawalan ako ng accessories, parang yung 18K,
Tapos sakit sa loob.
lalo na kung makakapal siya, di ba? And it's so expensive. So why not have waterproof, non-tarnish accessories? At least you can use every day. And maganda pa.
Tsaka pasosyal.
And wow, it's
nakakasosyal.
No, oo.
Sakit, punta lang ulit kay Luna.
Hi.
Bili lang ulit
But,
kay Luna.
alam mo, ang gaganda ng mga collections niya.
Yes,
Ganda,
mga siya, mga
so may mga
Sinbongga.
Cartier inspired. may mga Chanel inspired at the same time. Ang gaganda, promise. So, the good thing with this, it's non-tarnish.
Yeah.
So, it's hypoallergenic din. Wow!
So, hindi siya makati sa tenga, hindi nagkikrin sa neck.
So, I think hugas lang yan, maganda na ulit.
Correct.
Parang ganun, right?
Oo.
Hand soap lang, oo. Oh, so, at least, kita mo naman, ano? At saka affordable.
Correct.
At saka ang ganda ng pangalan.
Luna by Z. So yung Z, ano yun? Anong full name mo?
Pangalan niya?
Zerina. Dan Rimple? No, by Z. Yes, Z, invite mo naman yung ating mga televiewers to...
Mga
Kasansi.
Hello, pass by and visit us in Almorjan. We have space in Almorjan Center, so you can check all our items there. And if you follow Luna, we'll give you 10% discount.
Wow, 10% discount.
Follow, like, and shares, mga kasans.
So, Z, itong trip, the art of thrifting, it's always happen every end of the month, no?
Every end of the month.
Yes.
So, dito kami every end of the month.
Every end of the month, mga kasansi, mark on your calendar.
At in the end of the month, makikita nyo siya sa sa shop ng Curator's Closet. Here mismo din, sa first floor lang.
Of course, sabi ko nga sa mga kasansi, mark your calendar. Every end of the month, Art of Thrifting are always here in the ground floor of Almorjan Tower.
Yes, baka naman next month, makasali na tayo dito. Malay mo naman.
Ano naman? SNC?
SNC Shops. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you, Z. Thank you.
Alright, yes mga kasansi, kasama na natin ang CEO and owner ng Artful BH, ang may pakana ng The Art Thrift.
At may pakana ng Samin Quiz na podcast. Yes.
Salarin.
Oo, ang tagapangalaga ng Samin Quiz na podcast. Please welcome Miss Kay.
Miss Kay, let's run. Hi, Miss Kay.
Like Salmon C, thank you for visiting us in our thrifting, the art of thrifting.
Art of Thrift. Second edition na, so nag-start.
Kayo, no, first.
Kaya nga, baka nasa Saudi kami no? Yung time na yun. Okay,
But
so...
I was talked with the other kiosk here. They said that looking forward, it's gonna happen every end of the month.
Yes.
Is it?
It's nice. May bongga yan. Nakakatawa naman.
So, mga paraffles. So,
Yes, of course naman. Siyempre, tuloy-tuloy yan, Miss Kay, no? Every month. Okay.
for April, I'm still thinking baka outdoor, baka may beach affairs, but we'll see.
So, ano ba yung, bakit ba naisip itong The Art of Thrifting?
Kasi it started with, remember yung Art Meets Fashion ko? So
Yes.
I met most of these vendors. So I was like, you know what, let's provide them the platform to do some pop-ups. So that's how it started.
Galing talaga.
Oo.
May K talaga, no? May K talaga mag-isip na introduce yung ating mga kababayang vendors, especially.
Enable the small entrepreneurs.
And it's very brilliant idea because right, like me, no, I have a lots of dress na hindi ko na masyadong ginagamit.
Yes.
No, pwede mong ilagay sa kanila.
Love sa
Yes.
pre-hug.
And right behind at my back,
Oh.
yung son ni Miss Kay.
Oh, yes. Talented, ibang level na ang mga anak ni Miss Kay. Ay, mag-play din siya.
I
Wow.
was talking to the father,
Oh.
to the hubby of Miss
Husband,
Karen.
yes.
Siya, he said that
Oh.
my son is talented than me.
But we told him, you're a great photographer. That's a talent. Yes. Alright, once again, ako supportahan natin mga kababayan ng The Art of Thrifting ng Artful BH.
Yes.
Yes, only here at the Kingdom of Bahrain.
And it always happens
Every month.
every end of the month.
Yes, like 28, every 28 or
Mark on
30.
your calendar.
Let's support sustainability.
Oh, sustainability.
Yes,
That's very true.
naman.
It's a very brilliant idea, Miss Kay.
Brilliant, very brilliant. Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Miss Kay. Yes.
Once again, the founder and the owner of Artful BH, Miss Karen.
Ang tagapangalaga namin. Sa-
Yes. Lahat-lahat.
Oo, lahat.
OBS. Lahat.
Hi,
madam.
Hi, madam.
How are you? How's everything?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, what's here?
Yes.
Accessories.
Makeup and accessories. Yes, maquillage.
Yes, madam.
Wow. All original. So, but in a very good price, right?
Yes.
Wow, thank you so much for participating here in
Yes.
the Art of Thrifting.
It's so nice.
They have the brushes.
Brushes, makeups,
They
like
have
this.
concealer. They have
So,
contouring.
This product is coming from which country?
In the USA. And it's all original.
All original. It's nice. Okay. Make Glam.
Make Glam.
.bh.
To all our Kasansi.
Yes.
Do you have any social media accounts?
Yeah. There is.
So there's Instagram. and
Glam.bh.
Yeah.
Okay.
TikTok as well. Same name, no? Okay.
How about if our viewers in Kasansi, they wanted to have the
You can invite
orders?
them.
They can orders?
Yeah, they can order from our Instagram. They can send us text on Instagram. Make it that.bh.
Okay.
Wow, it's so nice. So
Thank you so
I
much.
need the brushes later on. Wow,
Yeah.
it's nice. Oh,
Sponge.
ang ganda. You need it.
Body scrubbing.
Yes. This is for body contouring as well.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you so much.
Participating.
Thank
See
you.
next month, huh?
See
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Let's go over here. What's here? It's the same.
It's the same.
Ah,
So
okay.
they have some pre-love.
Wow. That is the woman's secrets. A lot of things.
Yes, a lot of things.
A lot of things.
Yeah.
So this all pre-lab, right?
pre-love.
Wow.
Pre-love.
It's a very good idea.
It's brand new and then below.
There's brand new also.
It's very nice.
Alright, yes, mga kasansin, there is a one vendor here from Vintage Thrift BH. 2023, ha? Yes. You have available shop or online here?
Only online.
It's all online. Oh, that's good. But you have a very good collection, sa.
We do have
Vintage.
I saw. It's a vintage. So it's all vintage.
Yes, no.
Oh yeah, so just for about 5 BD, you will get a very good cup. And it's vintage. Classic.
Also, they have some
Wow.
Our heart collections.
Yeah. Is it brand new or second hand?
It's thrift. So second.
Okay. So it's nice. It's still in good conditions. That's great. So,
Oh, it's nice.
wow. I love this. It's so big for me.
It's nice, oh.
I think yung cinematography natin pwede dito lalaki.
Yes. Oo, mga damit. Pwede to.
Ang lalaki.
Okay, let's invite our... Anong name mo po?
Wow.
Invite natin yung ating
Yes,
mga kababayan to support.
Yes. Invite them every end of the month. Yeah.
Every end of the month po, we're having an event here in Almorzan building, yeah. Join po kayo or punta kayo sa amin to buy some vintages.
Yes. Vintage ay mga mahihilig sa mga vintage.
Yes, mahilig, oo. Especially Filipinos, they always like a vintage collections.
Yes.
No?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ang mukha ng IG ngayon sa Bahrain.
Yes. The one and only boss.
Boss.
Oh,
Pero
Boss and
babe. Yes, Boss and Babe is here.
Wow.
Hello, kang galing ha.
It's a great name, no? Paano kaya niya yun, Boss and Babes? Like,
Yes.
parang maihalin tulad mo, you can compare it with a Boss Madam.
Correct.
So, because since she's very beautiful,
and she looks madam.
and she looks like babes.
Yes.
So, Boss and Babe.
Okay, sa for information, last year, yung nag-show tayo dito sa isang shop dito sa taas. Suot natin yung mga collections
Yes.
nila.
That was
Ang
last
Boss and
year.
Babe.
The Boss and Babe.
Na-interview namin si Miss K.
Si Miss K, yes.
Pinagamit niya.
I was wearing the Boss and Babes, I think. So, the vintage, no? The other was.
Then.
Yeah.
Tapos blazer.
Boss and Babes is curated as well.
Yes, curated also. Some of them are brand new. Some of them are thrifted.
Wow.
Ang gaganda pa rin. Ang gaganda pa rin ng...
Because we always wanted to have or to curate like good as new.
Yes.
That's new. Alright.
Tsaka syempre may kita nyo lagi sa Instagram, nagla-live selling sila. Limpak-limpak ang mga nag-online, mga nagmamine, bongga.
Now I knew it why it's Boss and Babes.
Paano?
So pretty naman talaga siya.
Sobra naman.
Actually, Boss and Babe is like I was planning it to be like for men and women, but
Yeah.
we focused more on women.
More on women.
Yeah.
Kasi most of the time the women,
Women naman kasi.
they like new clothes.
Correct. Collectings, diba?
Collecting, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So nice, oh.
If you have like you have a lots of dress, no? You can bring it here.
Yes, I will bring it.
Yeah.
May
I think I have to compile it everything.
Oo. May
So-
lingerie. Charot.
Wow!
Wow.
Ikaw na.
Yeah.
I also have my friend Richon, which is
Yes, Shop Roshan. Yes.
Creators Closet.
Hi! Anong name mo nga, babe?
Honey.
Honey,
Yes.
my love, so sweet.
By Boss and Babe. Yes.
Yes, ang Shop Roshan din, nakasama din natin last time.
Yes. Shop and
Sa
Roshan.
atin,
Okay.
yes. Artful, yes.
Invite them.
Yes, every Thursday we are doing live. We are doing live also by solo. Like for me, every Tuesday on TikTok, Boss and Bay Fashion, BH. And Rishan every Monday, Shop Rishan on TikTok. And of course, we are live selling also every Thursday as a group. Yes.
Ang saya-saya siguro.
Ang saya nun. Ang ingay siguro sa online nun. No?
Sobra, no?
Diba?
Kasi talagang, lalo na kapag may mga nagmamine na.
Yeah, shoutout din sa ating mga miners ng base.
Super fun and more freebies.
But of course, invite them also to catch you here every end of the month.
Every end of the month, we are here. We will do it every month. End of the month, right?
End of the month, yeah.
We are always here. So
Always.
Yes.
thank you so much.
I'm inviting all our Kasansi to visit every end of the month.
Correct.
Like the Boss and Babes. You can carry it.
Yes.
I can carry it. Kaya ko to.
Pang Europe.
Kaya ko to. I can do it. Diba?
Oh, yeah.
See?
May pabato si
It's so
Mayor.
nice.
Perlas na sila.
Kaya ko to.
Yes.
Carry yan.
Correct. Okay,
Diba?
let's meet naman sa Shop Rishan.
Okay. Shop
Shop Rishan.
Shop Rishan. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Isa din to sa mukha ng IG nakikita ko sa timeline ko.
Shop Rishan.
Grabe. Oh,
Why Shop Rishan?
Cause my name is Rishan.
Oh, Rishan. Okay.
Yes.
But are you Filipina?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm Filipina. And like back in the day when I was like a teenager, I have like a shop. I'm selling on OLX, if you remember.
Oh, Alex. Okay.
online yan talaga din sa Pinas.
So, yes, sa Pinas. So, like my name back then is already Shop Rishan. So, I was like,
Shop Rishan.
why
Ganda.
not continue the same?
Ang social ang pangalan.
Yes.
No?
Boss and Babe. Shop Rishan. Diba?
Diba? Kakatuwa. So nice naman.
Very passionate.
Fashionista.
Fashionista.
As you can see,
Diyos ko.
mga kasansi.
Ay, naramdaman ko na namang mataba ako.
Naramdaman ko na rin wala tayong ka-passion.
Talaga, di ba? Di ba?
Yes.
Rishan, please invite them.
Yes. Hi everyone. Please follow my page Shop Rishan and also our group page Creators Closet. We are doing a pop-up here every month end. So the next one will be March 28,
Yes.
2 p.m. to 9 p.m. most likely. Follow our page so you'll get updates on like our events, our live selling, and most importantly, discounts and sales.
Discount and
Yun naman
sales.
talaga importante.
And it's all discounted, no? Sabi nga nila, if there's a pre-lab, there's a pre-hag. Charot.
Yeah. Alright, thank you so much, Rishan. Alright, mga kasansi, support
Yes, supporta, Boss and Babe, Shop Rishan, Luna by Z.
Yes, at
Oo.
yung group nyo, yung ano yun? Curators Closet.
Very true.
Yes.
Parang, grabe si Miss K, no?
Ibang level.
Parang pinulekta niya na lahat.
Correct.
No?
Iba na.
She have a very brilliant ideas every time.
Tsaka kita mo naman yung mga kasama niya, ibang level din.
Oo.
Pagdating sa mga fashion.
Paglabasan na ayoko silang mga kasama.
Kaya-
Charot.
Diyan lang kayo.
Charot lang.
Charot lang. Ayan.
Thank you, ganda. The beauty of Pinay's, no?
Yes.
It's very unmeasurable.
Correct naman.
Oo.
Love.
Data,
Oo.
the killer smile, di ba?
Yes.
Pag lumingon na yan, syempre ibang lahi pa yan, oh.
Nga
Parang
ka.
ikaw, di ba? Lingon
Di
nga.
ba? Lingon.
1, 2, 3.
Di ba? Nag-react ka talaga.
Hindi naman.
Ikaw lumingon ka din. Uy.
Oh, abay,
Uy.
uy lang.
Okay. Support them. Thank you so
Thank you so much, Shishan. Thank you.
Hi, James. Ikaw ba si James?
Ay, James.
Ako nga pala si Chris.
Ako si
Siya si
Lebron.
Chris.
My name is Lebron. James, okay. Ikaw
Halika,
si James.
Si po yung anak ko.
Yung anak mo. So, ang dami talaga, no?
Yes, alright. Nandito tayo ngayon sa isa pang vendor. So, ito ang James Got Kicks.
James got kicked.
Masarap ba dito yung kick mo? Anong flavor? Depende sa ko.
So, it's another pre-lab again, no?
Oo.
Ang kinaganda nito, sa kanila talaga, not from different
ano nyo talaga
part of the world na parang yung they said
mga
na
items
yung
nyo
bulto-bulto. So, sometimes parang maganda rin bumili kung owned by nung seller na rin at the well. O, di ba? So, mga pambata, stickers, di ba?
Hershey ba dyan? Tsaka kisses?
Merong ang bounty.
Yes, invite them. Ano pangalan mo po?
Simon po.
Simon, you're the father of James.
Okay, invite them.
Hi guys, follow us in Instagram, James Got Kicks and Soul Cleaner po. Meron kaming shoe cleaning and restoration.
Wow, nice.
Really? You're
Actually, nagpa-find ako doon.
Me too.
Naghahanap ako ng mga...
Sa Mega Mart po, sa Jupiter.
Mega Mart. It's reasonable price ba?
Tapos po pagkabayan may discount.
Promise ha.
Yes, ha.
Kasi marami akong pwedeng
Ako
pas-price to.
din.
Yes po, kahit po puso.
Wow! naman. Ay, baka naman paglinis ng shoes namin na wala ng swelas, ha?
Hindi, kasama po yun.
Kasama swelas.
namin.
Alright. So yung mga bags, nagre-restored kayo.
Ay, nice, ha?
Oo. Nag-repaint din kayo.
Ay.
Sana good price ha.
James Got Cake.
Sooner, ipopodcast namin yan.
Yes.
Okay.
Naghahanap talaga kami ng kung saan ba may maglilinis ng
Oo,
shoes, ng bags. Ang dami ko mga
bags.
Oo,
sobra. Bags niya.
Oo, yung mga belt bag ko, yung
So,
ginagamit
anong
ko.
pangalan?
Same po. Soul Cleaner, James.
Soul Cleaner.
Soul
din.
Cleaner.
Wow, okay, so that's good. Mga kasansi, no?
Mega Mart Jaffair.
Meron na pala ditong nagre-restored, mga shoe cleaning, nire-refresh nila. So, owned by Filipino.
Yes, yung may mga luxury items.
Luxury bags, kung meron kayong LV, Gucci, Balenciaga,
Yes.
reasonable price, promise yun
Yes,
Kasi na.
Wow!
Magkano ba yung regular na bag? Kunwari like a sling bag na may mabibig.
Pwede po.
1080.
Medyo times.
Nako, sobra.
Times three,
Ayoko na magbanggit.
Ayaw
babalik doon.
Gusto namin, mababang price.
Sa amin, Chris, we're gonna help you for that.
Yeah.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Support natin.
Support.
Lalo yung mga naghahanap nito mga OFWs, di ba? Ang dami naghahanap.
Meron ka bang any business card here?
Cards or anything? Sige.
Ako dyan.
So, James Got Kick.
Yes, okay. Meron silang Facebook account, meron sila
Instagram.
Instagram.
Of course, and syempre ang kanilang WhatsApp.
Okay, WhatsApp number. Please contact them with 360-54-868.
Ayan.
Very
Napunta natin
good.
soon.
Ha?
Gusto ko talaga magpalinis. Ang dami kong mga
No, ako din yung sa bags ko. Kasi sobrang
diba?
na yun.
Collectible to ng mga bags.
Buhay na, choco.
Dati kasi siyang snatcher. Kaya po. Kaya kinolect niya. Dinala niya dito. Oo, yung mga peg nahila niya kasi kinapuputol eh.
Na-snatch ko kasi lahat.
Pag nahila niya eh.
Okay, very good. So, bongga yan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye.
James Got Kicks.
Hi!
Yes, naman. Andito tayo ngayon sa isang vendor na.
Well, I love the cocktail dress.
Correct. Oo.
Pwede siya ng card.
Hanggang large. Okay. Para siyang corset.
Oo. So, bagay to sa'yo.
Ay, pagi sa akin yan.
Oo. Birthday ka pa naman.
Ay, ang ganda.
Ay, 5PD.
5PD. Why not? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Diba?
Diba? Oh, yan.
Twist and shout. Twist and shout. La 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 la.
Twist and shout.
Ang ganda niyan.
Yes.
Yes,
Super
ang ganda
naman.
yan.
Ang galing.
Wow. Si
5BD lang.
Oo. Lahat to puro mga mga pre-lab, no?
Meron tayong brand new galing siya ng Pilipinas. Pwede na 500 na yung bigay ko. Pwede siya sa summer.
Well, sa summer na ngayon, yan bagay na bagay yan. Correct. Ayan, nanira pa siya. Ayan na, nako. May iba't ibang mga branded eh, no?
Oo, mayroon mga branded dito. Pwede na 500 yung punta natin.
Yes, mga
Saka
kasansi.
si Lucky Carol, iba to, ibang level to. Noon pa to.
Oo, noon pa yan.
Nagko-collect ng mga
Actually,
ganito
parang
mga
siya yata
damit.
yung unang talaga.
Yes. Siya ang kauna-unahang mga may ukay-ukay dito
Yes,
sa bahay.
very true.
See?
Okay ni Lucky Carol. Kung tanungin nyo ako,
Oo.
paano ako nag-start, siguro hindi pa ako makapagsalita, tumutulong
Oo.
Ay, talaga?
ako.
Pinagdaanan.
But alhamdulillah,
Yes, thanks God. Talaga tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Diba?
Oo, alam ko, lakas-lakas nung niya. Napunta ko yun eh.
Ito ko yan.
pandemic, oo. Nung dumating yung pandemic, doon tayo.
Talaga medyo
I accept naman, di lang naman ako eh. Lahat naman.
lahat naman.
So, ma-depress ka man, kailangan mong bumangon.
Correct. Yun talaga.
Okay lang yun.
Okay,
Pero,
yun.
in your heart, ikaw ang una.
Siya. Nag-iisa.
Sila, kilala nila ako more on. Pero ako, hindi ko sila kilala.
Oo.
So, nakilala ako since 2011 kasi yung shop ko, and then naging supply ako sa mga
Iba't ibang mga shops.
sinong gustong bumili kasi kumukuha ako ng bundle galing ibang bansa. Nagta-travel ako ng China, Dubai, Thailand, Pilipinas.
But at least,
Kahit konti na lang din niya, at least tuloy-tuloy pa
at
rin.
least you're still standing, no? Oo. Once again, Lucky Car.
Lucky Caron.
Ano ko, Facebook account,
Mm.
like Lucky Carol. Meron tayong Mystic Touch, handmade soap. Lahat yan siya ay pang herbal and medicinal. Meron akong ipapromote in the future.
So yung Lucky Carol, makikita dun sa, Lucky Carol yung
Sa
pangalan ng
Facebook,
account.
yung
Sa
account.
Facebook.
Carol yung account. Kilala ako doon sa ano, kasi kung halimbawa, may mga naghanap ng like abaya, gowns, mga iba't ibang uri ng mga pre-love item. I-search nyo lang Lucky
You do live selling din naman, di ba?
Live selling.
Live selling as well.
Alright. So, support Lucky Caron.
So much, at saka sa mga bagong hindi pa nakakilala sa Lucky Carol, I am still here. Pwede akong mag-deliver at nagbibigay din ako ng mga diskwento.
Wow. Mm.
Okay.
Yes. Mm.
Alright, thank you
Okay,
so
thank you.
much. Thank you. Dito tayo ngayon sa isang
Sebesta. Hi. Oh. Naku, dito naman. I think
mga papormalan.
Oo. All vintage clothes.
din.
Oh.
Hey guys, so we specialize in designer, old clothes basically. These is our exclusive
Mga
collections.
vintage din.
Yep. Yeah,
All vintage.
exactly. We have a Coach bag, so beautiful. Neckties, 2BD pile, everything there is 2BD. So yeah.
Sevesta. Yes, Sevesta.
Social media account.
Yes, we do. Zevesta BH. Just search it up on
Okay.
Insta, and you can find us there.
Sevesta BH.
Sebesta. Why Sebesta?
Actually, there's no motive around that. One day I was just washing dishes.
Alright.
And then I came up with Zevesta. You know what? Let's just make a business. I said Zevesta.
That's it.
Sevesta.
Sevesta.
Yep.
Okay.
My friend's name is the best cat.
Yes. Yes. My
You can
name.
tell, yeah.
Yes. This is the one also in the line of the song. Kabilin-bilin na ng Lola, wag kang inom ng Sevesta. Di ba? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sebesta.
I support that.
Yeah. Oh. Ay, invite them no every end of the month.
Oh, okay. Every month we have this stall. Always, we're gonna be here every month. So please do come visit. We have very exclusive pieces coming every month. So yeah. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Please visit Almojan Tower Center here in Juper. No? Sebesta.
All right. Yes, mga kasansi. Andito tayo ngayon sa Lovelicious.
Delicious.
Speaking of Lovelicious, is here the delicious. Oy,
Delicious. And it's really
Delicious
delicious,
love.
no?
yes.
Sobrang ganda nila.
Ibang level din to sa mga nag-vlog ha. Kita natin mga
Mapahabang buhok, mapa-short hair.
correct. Katanghilig mag-travel around the world.
Delicious.
Lovelicious.
Naka-move on ka na ba sa ating Halabira intermission before?
Ay, oo. Naka-move on na ako. Parang gusto ko pa ng another event.
Ulitin-ulit yun. Yes. Alright.
At na lang ako.
Oo. So, Love, ito naman itong shop mo. Ito yung mga binibenta mo dito is...
Yung mga actually yung mga gamit na hindi ko na ginagamit. Alam mo, kasi sa na-stock siya. So, nung sinabi na merong thrifting, art of thrifting, sabi ko, try ko nga. So, actually, this is my first time na pumunta dito. Tapos, ito naman yung mga beauty product naman namin na to from Korea. Actually, meron kaming shop before. So, wala na. So, meron kaming mga natirang product. Binebenta din namin dito.
So talagang the good thing with that is if you have extra dresses na hindi mo na mga ginagamit, bring it always every end of the month, no?
Every end of the month. Yun nga sabi ko sa kanila, pag may mga damit sila na hindi ginagamit, at least, yung mga may pinili ka, nagandahan
Yes.
ka pagdating ng bahay, iba pala yung ng expectation from the mannequin versus reality na sinuot mo sa
Yes, true. Oo. Talagang alam mo,
benta ko nila.
I really wanted to do dieting na talaga.
Oo.
Karing lang.
Diet.
Kala mo kaya eh.
Yes, invite love yung ating mga kababayan.
Ayun, sa ating mga kababayan here sa Bahrain. So, meron po tayo dito, The Art of Thrifting every end of the month, guys. Pumunta po kayo dito. So, if you have some clothes na hindi nyo rin ginagamit, ayun, pumunta din kayo, benta nyo rin. Kesa sa nakatambay sila doon sa bahay ninyo, i-display nyo. Baka,
Very true, oo.
And actually, yung mga dito, yung mga nagbibenta din, parang kami din mismo, hindi ko ginagamit to. Kami din nagbibilihan, hindi ko ginagamit to. Gusto ko yan. So parang tayo-tayo lang din mag-exchange.
Hindi mas maganda, no? And I hope sana talagang makilala siya every end of the month. Yung itong The Art of Thrifting, no?
Oo, kaya nga. So,
I will support.
Yes, thank you
so much din. Love. Ha, yan. Support natin mga kasansi. Lovelicious.
Lovelicious. Wow. Maganda kaya to.
Pagka, ano sa pilikmata, hahaba ba?
Oo, 500.
Ay, ang ganda, no?
Ang ganda.
Tatu-tatuan.
Correct, may stars. Oh,
So, isang mo, ang ganda, no? Okay.
Ganda, parang totoo talaga, no? Kaya nga.
Parang gusto ko sa belly yan. Sa belly, bakit?
Pwede dito, sa bibig.
Then, gusto ko sa belly, why you have this kind of tattoo? CS ako eh.
Inoperahan. Yes, support Lovelicious.
Yes, once again.
Thank you so much, love.
Lovelicious. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, alright mga kasansi. Isa pa natin kasama dito, si Arnold ng RT.
RT.
Yes, may mga pa-pre-love din siya dito.
Oo, so sa'yo lahat to, RT. Dami, no?
Collector ka talaga ng cups and dress, ha?
Oo, tsaka
Sportswear.
yung mga sportswear. Ay, ang ganda nito sa mo.
Bongga yan, kapa.
Dami, di ba?
Nice.
Ay, mga vintage t-shirts po.
Mga vintage, oo. So,
tees,
so what's the price naman yung mga ganito, RT?
normal nag-range lang po siya sa like 3.5 up lang.
Talaga? Okay, maganda, no? Tsaka hindi, it's owned by Filipinos. Alam naman ng mga kasansi.
Tsaka nakikita natin palagi yan sa sa Facebook.
Oo, tsaka
yung
pag
artist.
Pilipino talaga may-ari, alam nilang malinis yan.
Correct, yes.
Diba?
Bago naman ito.
Okay.
Invite them, Arnold, to support your...
Yes, RT.
Yes po, support niyo po kami sa Facebook page namin, ARTs. Artist po, lagi po kami nagpo-post ng mga item namin. Meron kami pre-love, meron din kami mga brand new from Thailand, from Canada, mga ganun po yung item namin.
You do live selling?
Yes po, once in a while nag-live selling po kami sa Facebook. Sa Instagram naman po, artist.bh.
Yan, nakasupport natin ganitong mga vendors natin, mga kababayan.
Dahil sa artists, walang RT.
Yes. dahil sa artists, walang minties.
Guy, very good.
Thank you so much.
Ang ganda ng tagline mo. Dahil sa artists, walang RT.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ayan, mayroong bibili na. Ayan na.
Ayan
Thank you. Ay, Muchi. Nice.
Yan ang sampon.
Ay, bongga. Sige po. Pang lucky din,
Lucky, yes.
Support nyo po dito yan.
Ito siya, mayroon tayong strawberry
Parang
flavor.
Kasaba ba yan? Or?
Siya, glutinous.
Glutinous rice. So, they call it mochi.
Ito yung tinatawag na milk bump sa...
Okay.
Milk bomb.
Okay.
Ang loob niya ay, milk.
Milk.
So,
mochi.
Grabe
talaga, ate. Pinakyaw mo na.
Hindi lang pang damit, pang food din.
Maha.
Shalmaha with...
Salvador. Akala ko maha with Salvador.
Ito, meron tayong jelly with pandan flavor.
Okay.
And meron tayong sweet melon.
Sweet
Yes,
melon.
support. Ang mga foods. May mga Lucky Charms din.
Okay. So, promote ko na lang. Okay. So, ito siya ay binibenta ko ng 3 for 1 BD. So, kung bibilhin nyo ito dyan sa ibang, lalo na sa mall, pag ganitong malaki na, mahal na to.
Ang tawag dito is spongy.
Ice crunchy.
Pero tawag dito is spongy.
Yes, oo.
Spongy. Yes.
Ice crunchy. So, pwede ako magbenta ng wholesale, pwede rin ako magbenta ng retail. So, kung bibili kayo sa akin, kami mismo ang gumagawa nito. Kaya, mura lang ang binta ko.
Support. Ayan.
So, ganun talaga.
business.
Yes. Alright. Thank
you so much, Ate Lucky. Nasa si Boba. Hello. Yes.
Ay, ayun pala. Just wait.
Ito pala?
Oo, yun na naman siya.
Ito po si Vice President. Ano no? Naalala ko talaga noon pa to ha. Mahilig to maggawa ng boba.
Yes, talaga no.
TFF.
Yeah. Kung may friend kang matalino, may friend ka ring
boba. Charot.
Boba, hindi naman talaga. Boba na bubbles. Diba?
Bubble tea.
Yes, support na natin itong boba. Naku, invite natin mga kababayan.
Invite ko po kayo lahat. May physical store po kami sa Mega Mart Fair, ground floor.
Ayan.
So, yun. Try nyo po yung different flavors of milk teas namin for only 1.3. Meron din kaming ice cream.
1.3 mura.
Yeah, meron po kami 20 ounce na yon. Tapos, yeah, meron po kaming ice crumble.
Pinoy style?
Yes.
Wow.
Halo-halo. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung halo-halo. Tapos, ano pa ba? Mojito. Meron kami mojito. And sticky milk tea. And steamed siomai.
Wow, diba? So, the name is talagang boba lang?
Yes po.
Boba.
Your perfect blend of refreshments.
Yeah, diba? So, you will do participate here na every month? Monthly?
Yeah, sure. If merong any kinds of event, imbitahan nyo kami.
Why not, diba?
Mag-join kami.
Correct. Dahil sa boba, ikaw ay bongga. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ang nag-iisang Lola's Kitchen.
Yes.
Hulaan ko to, laing.
Ay, oo nga. Hulaan ko to, sisig. Kasi nakita ko na
Ito, hulaan ko.
Oo.
Chafing dish. Ayan.
Ay,
May
alright. So, diba? Ang Lolo's Kitchen.
Masarap pinalaing. Superb, masarap.
Talagang laging nagpa-participate ang Lolo's Kitchen.
Tsaka hindi mawawala ang kanin.
Kanin, of course, syempre, one of the primary meal.
Yes, shoutout kay Sir Rene na nanonood dyan sa gilid lang ng poste.
Yes, shout out Kuya Rene.
Thank you so much. Syempre, maraming salamat din sa Lolo's Kitchen. This is your second time na rin? Sa second month lang.
Second time, diba? So, at least.
Support Lolo's Kitchen.
Yes, support Lolo's Kitchen.
Pasyal po kayo sa American Alley Fair. Sa Lolo's Kitchen. Meron kami for delivery din. Meron din kami Jahis, Talabat. Yung number po na tatawagan is 3317-4335 for delivery po.
For delivery. So, ano ba yung tawag sa compound na yan?
Villa po.
Villa? Oo, may villa dyan yung compound where the new locations of Lolo's.
Hindi ba compoundation yun?
Hindi. Kupampangan.
Alright, support po ang Lolo's Kitchen.
Lolo's Kitchen, yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Masarap yung laing nila, promising.
Oo.
Ibang level.
Ang gusto ko sa kanila yung bagnet.
Masarap ang laing with bagnet.
Oo, yung bagnet ang gusto ko sa kanila, syempre, no?
May sumigaw doon, laing with bed daw.
Laing
with bed.
Laing with bed.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lolo's Kitchen. Please visit them. Thank you.
Alright, mga kasansi, it's a blast again na talaga nalibot natin ang The Art of Thrifting.
The Art of Thrifting by
Artful and Closet. Yeah. Thank you so much. Creators Closet. Thank you so much, Miss K, for having us here. Talagang support natin to every end of the month.
Yes, of course.
March 28.
Kasansi, I'm personally inviting you to please visit Almurjan Center here in Juper. Every end of the month.
Correct. Thank you so much. At syempre patuloy pa rin po inyong pag-like, pag-share at pag-support sa ating mga social media accounts, ang ating pong Facebook page,
ang ating YouTube,
ating pong Instagram,
at ang ating TikTok.
Yes, maraming salamat mga kasansi to your all support for us. Maraming salamat.
Yes.
And
of course, mga kasansi, if you are looking for any STC line like SIM Broadband, Voice SIM, Fiber and 5G, please contact 0917-330-4073 and all the legit agent from STC will deliver your request at your doorsteps.
Yes, thank you so much. Syempre sa ating production, maraming salamat sa ating cinematography, ang Econ Visuals. Thank you so much.
Ang ating makeup artist at ang ating wardrobe.
Yes, at syempre shoutout kay Ting, si Jess Ting. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa atin, sa ating shoots today. And at syempre maraming salamat sa ating mga nanood sa ating pottery making. Yung pottery natin na vlog. At syempre yung Greenie of Thai Farm.
The Thai Farm.
Thank you so much. Sobra.
Yes.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much sa Mr. Ali ng Jafar Pottery. Ali Pottery.
Syempre si Miss Lek ng
Thai Farm
ng
SC
Market.
O yun, pag nabanggit nyo po yung sa amin Chris sa SC Market, may discount kayo ng 10%.
Please do visit them also.
Thank you
get a
so
discount.
much. Alright, maraming salamat mga kasansi. This has been Sam
and Chris, the podcast. Visit them.
Laban. Yes, alright. Yes, isa pa nating vendor dito, kababayan din natin. Si Arnold from Art.
Ang dali.
Cut muna.
Lubok.